shape is perfect. I'm gonna roll a nice Gujia time lapse for you guys. Guinea pig time. Yeah. Perfect.
Perfect.
Oh, so much better than the Gujia you get here.
Is it?
Love it. Happy Holi. Gujia is ready and water guns are also ready. Obviously had to celebrate Holi with the family now that the stay-at-home orders are officially lifted.
So we are starting the celebration with wishing the deities first.
Nice.
That's Balgopal, that's Jagannathji, Subhadraji and Baldevji. So Holi was very popular between Krishna and Radharani. Yeah, so they are our dominant deities for this festival.
Beautiful.
Look, Amoha, look!
Oh God.
Hi, happy Holi! Happy Holi! Next is Mew. Happy Holi! Happy Holi! And Happy Holi! Happy Holi, Boogie. Okay, which is the next color? Again, from being nice to petals.
And then
True color.
Can you be a little nasty, please?
And then egg.
no, she's like,
And then
seriously?
Happy Holi!
okay. Are you gonna show me outside?
Yeah.
Happy Holi!
This really feels good. I think we played this kind of Holi after 5 years, right?
I think so.
And the last time we played Holi wasn't this good. No. Going back home to change and then we'll be back here for lunch and some games. Creepy uncle. The only problem is how are we gonna get into the car right now?
You cannot worry about that.
I know. What are you recording? There's nothing to record here. What are you recording? Oh, you just wanted to do your creepy. And that really was something. Although we only played for 15-20 minutes, it was so good. Demi, do you like being in my vlogs?
What?
Do you like being in my vlogs?
In my
Vlogs.
vlogs?
Vlogs.
Vlogs?
Vlogs. Demi, let's go vlog them too. But hold it like this. Hold it from there. You can actually turn it towards yourself as well. There you go. And you can keep it far. So, what's for lunch?
Chole.
So cute.
Onion with spicy.
Onion with spicy. Okay. What about this?
Ginger.
What are these?
Patura.
Batura. And that?
They are mixed with cucumber.
What about this?
That's paneer.
Amazing. Thank you, Demi.
And you know what's for dessert?
No.
I couldn't have explained this meal better than her, for sure. We ate so much that we now need a walk. So we just headed out for one.
Call Sahil.
Mamaji.
What were you telling him to do?
Mamaji, please.
Can you not call me Mamaji, please?
Mamaji, please. Play piano. Mamaji, please play piano.
Okay, so it's 12:40 right now and we're just going back. Beautiful, beautiful day.
Always is.
Yeah.
Like no amount of time is enough.
No.
Side effects of hanging out with your nieces for too long? What song did you get in the car with?
Na 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 run run run. Three bags full. Baby Shark has always been
A thing.
like I'm singing Baby Shark more than anything else. So a lot of you might not know that I used to play cricket back in the day. I was sucky, but I'm much better now. So today Shreya is very excited to record my bowling action.
Ah, sure, living for this day.
Are you excited?
Very. Oh
Are
my god.
you gonna record a full over? 6
Whatever
balls?
That is, yes.
Okay, let's start.
This is really weird.
What's weird? Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know what? Let's do it. Why do you look so bored?
I am bored.
I have a head rush. Like a legit head rush. That was good though. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you enjoy it?
It was so fun. I'm still shaking from
The fun?
the joy here with the sun.
Do you want to record one more? Huh?
Always.
You know, I totally feel like there was something here. I should not have left cricket at all. You know, should have persisted and done something about it. After that heart pumping cricket session, air cricket session, I want to say, we are getting some takeout. I'm getting Mexican from a new place that just opened up very close to us. We tried once and it was so good. Yeah, so we're doing that and we'll find out what Shreya is getting. I don't think she wants Mexican, but we'll find out. Okay, what's the word then? What are you getting?
Okay, so I made a few phone calls.
Okay.
I feel like eating Sichuan food, which is the opposite of what you feel like eating. Okay.
No, I'm decided on Mexican for sure. From the same place?
Yes.
Hot spicy?
Yes.
Done? Okay, let's start.
Place the order.
We're such polar opposites when it comes to food, which is good.
I hope my kids don't go on you.
Okay, bye. So I got chili oil also.
You
They
did?
started selling chili oil, small and big.
Here.
So yeah, okay, hold on. See that little note?
What is it?
Thank you, Sahil.
Aww,
So sweet.
that is sweet.
Yeah, it's a virtual kitchen. So this bar, they use their kitchen to make this food.
That makes sense.
How awesome is that?
Yeah, what'd you get?
I'll show you at home. Alright, that's mine. Naked plant-based burrito bowl. And that's Shreya's. Nomi Danda noodles with Kung Pao chicken. And surprise, I just ordered the burrito bowl and there's something else with it. Maybe it's sauces, I don't know. No, but wait, why? There would be no sauces on the side. What?
They gave you a cookie?
A complimentary cookie. Oh wow.
Good cookie.
Good touch, good touch. Okay, I'm gonna see you after dinner or I might end the vlog here, but we'll see.